What is the BJK University all about? And is the model that they're going to be teaching you the right business model for you? You know, these days, when you come to the online space, there is so many different types of business models that can help you to make real money online. You get drop shipping, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and even multi-level marketing. So what is the right business model for you, and is what the BJK University the right fit for you? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it's all about, what the course is all about, and I'm going to outlay that business model so you'll be able to have a much more better idea on whether you should sign up to the BJK University or not. Hi there, my name is Rupesh, and a warm welcome to you to this channel, Passive Income for All. It's all about helping you to find the best possible ways to making money online. So go ahead and click on the subscribe button if it's your first time here. And if you want to check out my #1 recommendation to starting your very own online business, even if you are brand new to the world of online business, feel free to click on the link that is directly below this video. Okay, so what is BJK University all about? It's simply a hub for a premium course, and this is a course where you will be taught a business model called Amazon FBA, which means Amazon Fulfillment by Amazon. I'll explain to you more about this business model shortly, but it's marketed as a course which is tailored for the newbie in mind, and it has proven strategies, hand-on support, and access to a community of like-minded individuals along your journey to your online success. They also have other successful Amazon sellers who will help you along your journey. And when you click Get Started Now, you will come to a 3-minute introductory video by the course creator. After you've watched this 3-minute video, then you've got two options. You can either choose to click on you have funds to invest and purchase a masterclass, or alternatively you don't have the money to invest, and that's where you will be directed to other YouTube training videos by the course creator. And now, who is the founder of the BJK University? Bashar Katou is the creator of this Amazon FBA course, and I wrote a little story about his history on my website. Initially, he had to suffer through the ordeal of getting kidnapped twice at gunpoint, and then when his family immigrated to America, Bashir's dad gave him some money to use for college or either to fund the business, and he used the money to fund the restaurant. And in 2015, he lost the restaurant, and then after doing regular jobs such as dishwashing, Uber driving, and then that's when he learned about the Amazon FBA business model, and that's when he borrowed some money to fund the new business model. And when he learned what was working, he helped out some of his friends, and that's when it hit to him that he could help more people. And this is where the 7-figure Amazon FBA course was born, and it became the home of BJK University. So what is this Amazon FBA business model all about? Now, fulfillment by Amazon simply means that, well, Amazon, they will provide a service to small and medium sized businesses to use their platform to sell products. So let's just say if you have a product that you want to sell, then Amazon will they will receive and store your products at their warehouse. They will also pick, pack, and ship your order to the customer on your behalf, and they will handle any returns. So that essentially is what the Amazon FBA business model is all about. And this is what Bashir's course is also all about. And his goal on his website, he says, is to disrupt the education system and make a dent in the universe. So in other words, you know, the usual thinking of getting a job, getting a qualification, going out there, working your traditional 9 to 5. This is where he wants to challenge this notion via his course and the business of offering people the opportunity to start in a very own online Amazon FBA business. How do you register with the BJK University? Well, the process is, first of all, you have to meet certain criteria, and the first step is you have to undergo a phone interview with one of the enrollment coaches, and together they will help you to determine whether the Amazon FBA business model is the right business model for you. Then once you pass through this phase, you gotta go through one of the 5 weekly orientation calls, and after this, that's when you can sit through the course material and you can work at your own pace, and you can also liaise with some of the community members within the BJK University. And some of the topics that you will be learning, I just want to show you. Where is it? This is what you'll be taught. Is that they'll teach you everything that you need to know, from researching, spotting hot selling products, finding honest and high quality suppliers, how to negotiate prices, order samples, how to price your products, how to list them, what keywords to choose, how to run pay-per-click campaigns, Amazon's advertising service that helps you to maximize your sales based on Amazon's laser target buyers data, and how to optimize your listings, and in the end, to automate your store so that you can fully enjoy your new life. How much does it cost to join the BJK University? The course costs around $3,000, but that's just a start. According to Bashir, you will need at least $10,000 to start an Amazon FBA business, and this is what is on the site. It's written there. It's the most beginner-friendly way to start on Amazon, as it needs only $10K to start, which is the lowest possible realistic starting budget on Amazon right now. So with this sort of business, you would need capital to invest, obviously, to purchase a product, but you will also need to have to pay Amazon to store these products. In addition, you will also have to invest in advertising to get exposure to your brand or products. And then they also have a money-back guarantee, but it's an unusual 3-day money-back policy only. Right, so what I like about the BJK University is that there's owner transparency, they have a lot of legit member testimonials, and it's a proven business model. But what I don't like is that it's expensive. They only have a 3-day money-back guarantee policy in place, and in my opinion, I do not think that this is a business model that is perfectly suited for the newbies in mind. Is BJK University a scam? Is BJK University legit? I believe that the BJK University and the course creator and everything, it's all legit. You got a real owner, and you got folks who are happy with being a member of the community of the BJK University. But the big question here is this business model the right business model for you? Now, you remember I told you there's so many different types of business models that are out there. With this particular business models, take into account the following issues. Firstly, it is expensive. You're going to have to outlay capital to purchase your products. Then, when you sell, you have to concentrate on selling high volume, because remember, at the end of the day, you are selling physical products. The profit margins are much lower than selling digital products, and that means if you have a high income goal, you have to concentrate on volume. At some point in your business, you're also going to have to focus on advertising expenses, and if you are brand new, you're going to spend a great deal of your time and money trying to find out which is your high converting ads, and then you might also have to deal with customer queries, so you also have to take that into account if you are okay with that. If you are okay with all of these issues, and if you have got the money to outlay, then perhaps you can give the BJK University a go. Okay, so now that concludes my review of the BJK University. I hope that it has helped you out and you have a much more clearer picture of what it's all about. Look, if this business model sounds too much for you, then do not worry. There is a much more cheaper alternative where you can get started to building your own passive income online and making real money online. And at this point in time, I'd like to talk to you quickly about a business model which I use called affiliate marketing. See, with affiliate marketing, you are simply bringing a buyer and a seller together, and for every successful transaction that takes place, you will earn a commission. So the advantages already there is that you do not need to spend a great deal of money in purchasing products. Because you're selling on behalf of a company or a vendor, they will take care of the customer queries themselves, so you don't have to worry about customer queries or after sales customer support or any of that sort of thing. But I think one of the biggest advantages about online affiliate marketing is that here you can sell not just physical products, but you can also sell digital products. And the difference here means with digital products, it's much more cheaper to get started with, but you can sell high ticket digital products, which means higher commissions for you, which means that if you have high income goals, you can reach your income goals much more quicker by not concentrating on selling volume. You just can have to sell maybe 3 or 4 items, and if it's a $1,000 commission, you've already made $4,000 commissions, so you don't have to concentrate on selling volume. In fact, click on a link that is below this video. I have created a free 4-day course, training course, to show you more about this business model, and I've also introduced you to a great friend of mine who has helped me to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing. Having said that, thanks so much for checking me out on this BJK University review. I hope that this video has helped you out. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'm looking forward to speaking to you in my next video. Wish you everything on the best in your online success. Goodbye.